राघव मुझे लगता है अब हमें हॉकी की प्रैक्टिस शुरू करनी चाहिए। What do you say?
Hey guys, मैंने एक नई पोएम लिखी है। Wanna hear it?
नोनी, ये बहुत अच्छी बात है कि तुम्हें कोई शौक डेवलप करना है, लेकिन अगर तुम्हें कोई शौक इंटरेस्ट कुछ डेवलप करना है तो कोई अच्छा सा करो ना। I mean,
very true.
poem यार, so dull and boring.
चला साइरस, नो नहीं, सुनाओ। मेरी इस पोएम का टाइटल है Why.
But why?
Cyrus, let me read it, then you'll understand why.
Okay, carry on.
मैंने अलीशा हाफी के ब्रेकअप से इंस्पायर होकर इसे लिखी है। And guess what? It's from Alisha's point of view.
What's the inspiration?
Continue.
Hurry on.
Why have I stopped caring for you? Why have I started avoiding you? Why do I prefer staying away from you? Why do I want to forget you? So what do you feel, guys?
नोनी, तुम्हें नहीं लगता है ज्यादा डिप्रेसिंग है?
I think it's crap.
नो नोनी, तुम मजर को पढ़ के सुना। I'm sure he really like it यार।
सुनाया मैंने।
नोनी, तुम्हारी ये कविता सुनने के बाद मेरे मन में कुछ सवाल गूंज रहे हैं।
Cone meaning?
Meaning there are a lot of questions in my mind which are running helter-skelter to which I don't have any answers. So could you please enlighten me to that, if you don't mind that?
Like what?
Like, why did you write this poem? Why did you narrate this poem? Why did you narrate this poem to us? Why did you embarrass yourself? Why did you embarrass us? And why?
That's what I call true poetry. Thank you.
You know what? कुछ लोग के लिए विनीत सर हमें पढ़ाने वाले नहीं है क्योंकि उन्हें मलेरिया हो गया है।
Oh shit यार, I want to miss it। जाके उन्हें शाम को मिलते आते हैं।
हाँ, जब तक विनीत सर स्कूल नहीं आ रहे हैं तब तक
free periods.
Sorry to disappoint you, Cyrus, लेकिन तब तक हमें पढ़ाने के लिए एक लेडी टीचर आ रही है।
खूबसूरत चुलबुली मिस पटाका
बैनर्जी।
क्या नाम है? Miss Pataka Banerjee. What a cool name.
She's from England and she's very beautiful.
हाँ,
मिस पटाखा बैनर्जी इंग्लैंड से पढ़ के आई। विनीत सर अमेरिका से पढ़ के आए। दोनों इंडिया में पढ़ाते हैं। वाह, क्या ग्लोबल सेटअप है। Go Navy, go.
Shut up यार, Cyrus. Guess what? हमारी जो टीचर है उन्होंने अपने पोएट्री की एक बुक पब्लिश की है। She is a poetess.
wow।
यार मोना, I hope it doesn't mean that वो हर क्लास में हमें अपनी एक पोएम सुनाया करे यार। I mean one noni is more than enough.
Shut up, Raghav. At least there is someone who will appreciate my poetry.
किसी को अच्छा लगा?
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning and goodbye.
That was quite bold. What's your name?
Me?
नहीं, मैं आपके स्कूल के पीएन का नाम पूछ रही थी।
Oh, उनका नाम है भोलूदा।
What's your name?
I'm Cyrus.
Cyrus. Nice name.
Thanks.
So what class are you in, Cyrus?
12th में क्यों?
Well, for a moment I thought I'd entered class 2 by mistake. Class 12. So I think we'll start today with you. Would you step down to the blackboard, please?
क्यों? मैंने क्या किया है?
अभी तक तो कुछ नहीं. Would you please come down? Class 12.
मैम, करना क्या है?
I'll tell you in a moment. आपकी हेड गर्ल यहीं गई होंगी?
Yes, ma'am.
What's your name?
Mona Joshi.
Mona Joshi. Mona, you're doing a fairly sloppy job. ये क्लास नहीं, फिश मार्केट लग रहा था.
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Actually, it shouldn't happen again. Well, everybody, for the next few weeks, I will be taking your English classes. I just want to make one thing clear. I do not tolerate any nonsense. So, should we get down to work? आजकल आप लोग क्लास में क्या पढ़ रहे हो?
Ma'am, you're doing romantic poetry and...
Thank you. You may sit down.
Oh, ma'am, I have a textbook.
Thank you.
मैम, वो
ओह सॉरी, आपके बारे में तो मैं भूल ही गई थी. So, आज की क्लास की शुरुआत हम तुमसे करते हैं. What did you say your name was?
Cyrus.
Cyrus. Cyrus, romantic poets के बारे में आप जानते हैं?
हाँ, बहुत कुछ जानते हैं. Wordsworth, Keats, Byron, Shelley.
Shelley?
Yeah.
Shelley who?
Shelley, the romantic poet Shelley?
What's his full name?
P.B. Shelley?
P.B. Shelley. I want his full name.
Ma'am, Percy Bysshe Shelley.
I didn't ask you.
हाँ वही Parsi Barsi Shelley.
Spell it.
What?
I said spell it.
P-A-P-E-P-R-S.
Well, I think we'd have to begin this class by learning how to spell the poets' names. You can go back to your seat. I'd like to read you something now, something really extraordinary. My heart aches, and a drowsy numbness pains my sense, as though of hemlock I had drunk, or emptied some dull opiate to the drains 1 minute past. Well, I guess that's all for now. I'd like you all to read this poem. This was Keats' Ode to a Nightingale. I'd like you to read it today so that we can discuss it tomorrow. Oh, and Cyrus, I have some homework for you. The first 3 stanzas of this poem you must memorize, and I want them recited to me in the staff room tomorrow. And 150 times, P.B. Shelley, the full name. Oh, and for the rest of you, I've changed my mind. What I would like from you is a 1-page analysis of the poem in the staff room tomorrow, 12 o'clock. Not more than 150 words.
Wow. Wow.
Please.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, Noni. How are you?
Good. मैम क्या मैं आपसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछ सकती हूँ?
Sure.
मैम आपकी जो बुक है उस पर आपका नाम एल बैनर्जी लिखा हुआ है. I mean, I was just wondering उसका full form क्या है?
Why do you want to know?
Just curiosity.
Lavanya.
Sorry?
Lavanya.
Lavanya. What a beautiful name.
You like it?
Yeah, immensely.
Do you know what it means?
No.
Beauty. Extreme beauty.
Beauty. मैम आपके पास इतना ब्यूटीफुल नाम है, आपने उसे कवर पे क्यों नहीं यूज किया?
तुम्हारा नाम क्या है, नोनी?
नोनी.
No, I mean, what's your full name?
नियोनिका कपूर.
So why don't you use your full name?
बहुत लंबा है ना. And you know, when I was in New York, nobody could pronounce it.
Well, जब मैं ऑक्सफोर्ड में पढ़ती थी, nobody could pronounce my name either.
मैम मैंने आपकी poems पढ़ी. They're just amazing. They're beautiful.
Really? Thank you.
मैम मैं भी poetry लिखती हूँ.
Oh, that's wonderful. You must read them out to me sometime.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Hey, guys. Sorry. Guess what her name is, guys?
Let me guess. L. Banerjee. Lalita Power Banerjee?
Shut up, Cyrus.
Leena Banerjee? Lallu Banerjee?
Lolita Banerjee?
Lakshmi Banerjee? Langoti Banerjee? अरे बता ना यार, what's the big deal?
Lavanya.
Wow, that's a beautiful name.
तुम्हें कैसे पता चला?
बस पता चल गया. थोड़ी मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. Lovely, isn't it? Lavanya.
Wow, Lavanya. What a beautiful name, na? She deserves it. Goes so well with her. I mean, after all, she's a poetess. तो नाम होना ही चाहिए exotic. And she's always so dreamy and so soulful. वो हमेशा अपनी अगली बुक के बारे में सोचती होगी ना?
I always suspect people with such vague, faraway, Rudy Poo jabroni looks. क्यों जॉन?
I agree with you, Cyrus. अरे अपने मेहुल को ही ले, जब भी कोई खाने की बात करता है ना, तो इनका भी चेहरा ऐसा ही हो जाता है.
शायद बोल सकती हूँ. तुम लोगों को भी किसी को appreciate करना सीखा है तुम लोगों ने?
Exactly. She is beautiful, gorgeous, brainy, happening. Unlike you fools.
गाइस तुम लोगों ने नोटिस किया? वही नखरे, वही अंदाज, वही लटके, वही झटके, वही शानदार आवाज. आखिर क्या है इसका राज?
यही कि अपनी किरण और नोनी बन गई है मिस लवानिया जूनियर्स आज.
ये है बड़ी दुख की बात.
What rubbish! Just shut up.
some coffee.
मिस लवानिया, कुरियर से ये आपके लिए आया है.
Oh, wonderful. I was expecting this next month. It's from my publisher.
That's great.
My second volume of poetry, Mr. Yadav. Well, here we are. Dear Miss Banerjee, this is to inform you that we are really not...
क्या हुआ? What's the matter?
My poems. My poems.
That's great. क्या वो किताब की पहली कॉपी है?
They have rejected my manuscript. They have returned my manuscript.
अरे, मगर जैसे आप बता रही थी, मुझे तो लगा कि आपकी पोएम्स ऑलरेडी पब्लिश हो चुकी है.
It's just the bloody politics in the publishing business. My first copy, my first book of poems was a sellout. And they cannot take that. It's just a bloody bit of disgusting politics.
Can I get you that coffee?
No, thank you. Coffee. But I've drunk dregs of hemlock.
मिस लवानिया, ऐसे होता है. शायद उनको आपने पहले जो किया था वैसे ही कुछ चाहिए होगा और आपने कुछ...
Mr. Yadav, you just don't understand. You have no idea of the kind of politics that goes on in the publishing business. This is my best work to date. Either this bloody publisher has no sense of talent, or else he's just promoting his own little people. But it's clear that I am the victim of a mediocre, disgusting system. I could kill somebody. Oh, that's all I need. Class right now. Could you please open your poetry books to Ode to a Nightingale? And let's try and get through with it today.
मूड लगता है बॉयफ्रेंड से लड़की आई है.
Darkling, I listen, and for many a time I have been half in love with easeful death. Called him soft names and... Cyrus, शायद कल रात आप बहुत busy थे. You're looking very tired. Or do you need some more homework like yesterday?
No, ma'am. I'm quite awake now.
Called him soft names in many amused rhyme to take into the air my quiet breath. Now no more than ever.
सॉरी टू डिस्टर्ब यू. मेरे पेट में बहुत दर्द हो रहा है. क्या मैं बाथरूम जा सकता हूँ प्लीज?
Should I call for a doctor right now?
नहीं, आई एम फीलिंग बेटर, थैंक यू.
Mehul,
यस मैम.
तुम क्या खा रहे हो?
कुछ नहीं मैम.
Bring it here right now. I said right now. Disgusting. Now more than ever it seems rich to die, to seize upon the midnight with no pain while thou art pouring forth. Raghav, you seem to have a lot to say today. क्या कह रहे थे तुम साइरस से?
कुछ भी नहीं मैम.
Cyrus,
Yeah?
what was Raghav saying to you?
No, nothing particular, just general.
Get out. Both of you,
But ma'am,
get out of my class now.
सॉरी मैम.
Get out. Now more than ever, it seems rich to die, to seize upon the midnight with no pain while...
Mom, stop. I love you.
Thank you, Peter. That's really sweet of you. 5 minutes रह गए. I guess there's no point in continuing. Is there anything anybody would like to read, talk about, discuss?
नहीं मैम, एक्चुअली पिछले हफ्ते से हम होमवर्क और टेस्ट में काफी बिजी थे, सो आई डोंट थिंक एनीवनस बीन एबल टू कम अप विद.
मैम मैंने एक नई पोएम लिखी है. I would like to read it out to the class, and I want to know what you think about it.
Another time, Noni.
नो मैम प्लीज हम सुनना चाहते हैं मैम प्लीज.
All right, if you think you want to read it, please do.
The silent mill, lost in the wreathing mists of time.
गुड टाइम वेस्टिंग टाइम.
Silent as the years are gone by, brooding through the seasons that pass by.
Stop. Noni, when you write something that comes out of your heart and your soul, और जो किसी और से या मुझसे कॉपी नहीं किया गया हो, तब मुझे पढ़ के सुनाना.
लेकिन मैम मैंने ये किसी से कॉपी नहीं किया. I was just trying to, you know, write it in your style because I really admire your style.
I don't want any reasons. If I were you, I would throw this poem in the dustbin. Class dismissed. Kiran, could you please come and help me with some work in the staff room? I don't believe this, यार. उसने राघव और साइंस को क्लास से बाहर निकाल दिया.
Exactly यार, how can she do this to us यार? यादव सर ने कभी हमें क्लास से नहीं निकाला, तो ये क्या चीज है? और बेचारा मेहुल, उसने क्या किया? बस उसके मुंह से आम का दाना छीन लिया. हाँ, यही है ना मुहावरा?
यार अब नोनी क्या फर्क पड़ता है what dear Lavanya thinks about your poetry anyway?
Just shut up, Mazhar. तुम्हें पोएट्री राइटिंग के बारे में पता ही क्या है? When I was reading my poem, you were not even listening to me. तुम साइरस और राघव के साथ अपनी मेल बॉन्डिंग में लगे होंगे. Just admit it कि तुम्हें नहीं सुननी मेरी पोएम.
अरे नोनी मुझे भी तुम्हारी पोएम समझ में नहीं आती है.
Exactly, नोनी. अगर तुम अपने बारे में लिखो या फिर उन टॉपिक्स के बारे में लिखो जो हमें कंसर्न करे, we'll appreciate your poems.
Yeah, it was too intellectual for me too.
नोनी, I don't understand one thing. तुम हमेशा इतना grown up sound करने की कोशिश क्यों करती हो? I mean, it's also cerebral, यार.
देखिए मिस लवानिया जूनियर herself is here. She is trying to imitate her idol.
Shut up, John. और मिस नोनी, what's wrong with you, huh? एक तो मैम का मूड वैसे ही खराब था, and on top of that, you said that stupid little poem of yours and just upset her all the more. Ridiculous, I say.
Just shut up, Kiran, and get off my back. You're jealous कि मिस लवानिया मेरी पोएम्स को encourage करती है.
Encourage? Oh, please.
Okay. So I've written a bad poem. एक और लिखूंगी, which is gonna blow everyone's mind, and she'll love it too. So there.
All the best.